Surf and turf is a classic combination, and this is one of my favourite ways to cook it on the barbecue. Both the steak and king prawns are marinated together in a smoky mesquite seasoning before the steak is wrapped inside the prawn, threaded onto skewers and grilled over hot charcoal. These are super easy, super quick and super tasty, so let's get started. And we're going to start with our marinade for the prawns and the steak. And in this bowl I've got 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm just using a light brown sugar, use dark if you like, it doesn't really matter. And then to that, teaspoon each, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder and ancho chili powder. That's going to give it a nice heat. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. I'm just using a standard smoked paprika, not sweet, not spicy. A good pinch of sea salt, a couple of turns of the old pepper mill, and a good glug of olive oil. And just give that all a mix in, so you're basically making a nice paste or mesquite marinade. And if you make this up like the dry mix, this will keep for about 6 months. Just put it into an airtight container and you can reuse it. Sometimes I use it as like a dry rub. It goes really well just on steak itself. But for today, I definitely want the olive oil in there so that everything gets a nice coating. And if you can't get the ancho chilies, just use a bit of chili powder. I buy the ancho chilies, they come in flakes, and then I just put it in the coffee grinder to make more of a powder from it, but whatever your preference. So that's nicely mixed around. Today I get to thank both my fishmonger, Ron Fowler and Sons here in Bookham. Thank you so much as always for the fish, and also my butcher F. Conisby and Son in East Horsley for the lovely piece of fillet steak. Guys, if you can, please support your fishmongers and your butchers. Now I'm using fillet steak. You don't have to. Sirloin works really well, as does ribeye. Just want something that's going to stay nice and tender, because these aren't going to cook for very long on that barbecue. Literally a minute, maybe maximum a minute and a half each side. Anyway, the prawns are going to go straight in to our mix here. And then with our steak, we need to cut this up into smaller pieces. So what I tend to do is just halve it. So straight down the middle. I'm going to sort of sandwich it open. And then what you want to do is really cut this into chunks, something like that. Not too big at all. These are going to fit in between our prawns. That's it. And then that needs to also go into our marinade. And basically just give this all a good mix in so that all of your meat and your fish is nicely covered. You want to make sure that that marinade is getting everywhere. We want to make sure there's plenty of flavour in both the meat and the fish. And leave that really for up to 10 minutes just to infuse the flavours into our prawns and steak. And once your marinating time is up, we can go ahead and skewer them up. And I'm using my normal pre-soaked wooden skewers here, the bamboo ones. And this is where it slightly differs the way we skewer it up. So you get one of your king prawns, and we're going to go through the tail. So just through that part there. What you want to do is sort of flick it back, like so. Then grab a piece of your lovely fillet beef. And then we're going to pull it back up a little bit there and then back over the prawn. So what you end up with is that beef nestled in between the prawn, not just one and then the other. I'll do one more. So grab your prawn, again through the tail, grab a nice piece of your beef and then back over the top with the prawn. And just repeat that for the rest of your skewers. Okay, so of course we're cooking these on the barbecue. If you're not cooking outdoors, these will work perfectly in a standard pan over your hob. I've got the barbecue preheated to about 225°C. We want this burning hot. Remember, it's steak, so we want to get a real nice char on it. We want that center section to be nice and rare. So let's get them over the coals. So these are going to be direct heat. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Literally, these aren't going to take long, guys, at all. A minute aside, not too long. Oh yeah, there we go. And just close the lid down. Okay, they've had their minute. Let's flip those over. Hopefully we've got some nice colour. Oh yeah, look at that. That steak has got a nice char on it, as have the prawns. The smells, guys, are absolutely out of this world. I cannot tell you how much these are making me hungry right now. Again, last minute on that side, and then we'll remove them, plate them up, and give them a try. Okay, and that is our last one off. What I like to do is just put them onto a board, family style again, straight in the middle of the table. And I like to finish it off with a drizzle of garlic parsley butter. Who doesn't love garlic butter? And there we have it. My barbecue mesquite surf and turf skewers with garlic parsley butter. Let's give these a go. I cannot wait any longer. They are just looking at me and I'm staring back and I want to get tucked in. So let's get a whole one. Oh my. They are out of this world. You've got a lovely sweetness from the sugar. Those ancho chilies gives it a nice kick, but not overpowering. It also gives it some smokiness, as does the smoked paprika. The cumin's coming through. Of course, you've got the extra smokiness from the barbecue. The beef is cooked perfectly. The prawns are super sweet. Oh, wow. This is on another level. Gotta have another one. Can't stop. These have become really popular on my barbecue classes, and I know why. They are so Moorish. I can't think of anyone that you put those in front of that would be disappointed. They go fast. My family love them, as do I. They are a real winner. Give these a go, guys. You saw how easy they are to make, how quick they are to come together, and flavour-wise, they can't be matched, trust me. That's it from me for today, guys. I really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share, comment, got a hype button. I'd really appreciate one of those. I'll put all of the details of today's barbecue mesquite surf and turf skewers with a garlic parsley butter down below in the description, as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.